how you doing there? Cuts by Reggie here, right? Cuts by Reggie. Back with another review, baby. As y'all can tell through the end of these 2020 year, I've been buying a lot of clippers. Side note, yes, I do buy all the clippers. I wish some of these companies would send me some. So if y'all know anybody at Andy's, Wall, Caliber, JRL, Gamma, if you know anybody, tell them I'm over here doing reviews, Cuts by Reggie on YouTube. But anyway, before we get to the actual review, if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. Share the video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I know a lot of people that's not subscribed, but watch it because most of my, that's analytics. Anyway, today don't judge me. Today, we will be reviewing the Caliber 357 Magnum Generation 3. Booyah, right? First, we like to start with they don't do the pre-order thing, so that's a good thing. If you're looking for them, you can go to their website right now and get you some of these right now. These are the Generation 3 357 Magnum. When I got them, they was about $110. I'm pretty sure they're about the same price now. So you got that, right? So of course you get them. They don't take long either. So I probably ordered them on, I don't know why I like to order on the weekends because that holds you up, but I ordered them like on a Friday, got them maybe the next Tuesday or Wednesday. So based off business days, if you order them on Monday, you might get them by Wednesday. You get the drift. But either way, once you get the package, we like to start with the unboxing, how the packaging is. And of course, not to say that they are copying Gamma, but I got the Gammas first. So that's how I refer to the magnetic flap as the Gamma flap. But as you can see, I do like this packaging. I love this barber strip. So it's all black and gold, right? So I do like the black and gold color. I like the build of the packaging. I love all of this, but then I like that they got the barber pole. It just seems, it don't seem out of place because it's a clipper. It's for barbers. But it kind of seems out of place in the sense of the color and stripe of it. But I do like that they add that to it. It just gives it a nice little pop to it. Black and gold, red, blue, yellow, white, red, gold, black. It's nice, right? So you get the packaging. Of course, they got the flappy flap, right? So you got the flap. Of course, you got the details of it here. You got the packaging, and of course, Caliber. Again, like I always say, I'm not traveling overseas, especially right now anyway, but I'm scared of planes. I'm not getting on one, but it is cool that they include the adapter if you're traveling to Europe and all the extra plugs and stuff. Of course, you got the oils, you got the brushes, and I do like the accessories that they got here because they do have the accessories that you can change I know I said in my unboxing that I was gonna change it to the black and gold, but once I get to cutting with them, I don't think nothing about them because I'm not used to changing covers of clippers. I never done it, even when Wall started saying you can buy these and all that. I just don't usually do it, so I never did it, but it's cool that they include the different packaging of the different lids that you can add on there. Of course, you got the all chrome you can put on there. You got the black and gold that will match good with the back of this, but then you got it comes with the chrome, the gold and silver plating already on it. So you got that. You get the baggie, and they got their own guards, but we'll get to that in a minute. Overall, packaging cool. I ain't mad at it. As y'all know, I like the Gamma flaps thing, so I like this packaging. All right. Then we get to the build of the clipper, which the build of the clipper is good. If you've used the clipper, it's just a basic build. You got the indentions for your fingers. I do like this little, if y'all can see that kind of, it's like almost a designer design on the back. It just kind of adds a little flair to it. It don't pop out big, but when you look at it, you can see it. I do like that. I'm not mad at it. Like I said, indentions for your fingers. They got the click lever, and I do like that. The only thing I don't like about, well, we're getting to the build, right? So I do like it. Nice clipper, come with a taper blade on it. I will add a fade blade to it just because I like to use fade blades more. So I will add a fade blade if I continue to use it, which as of now, I probably will. All right. So you got the ordering caliber.com. I don't know their website, but I'll put it right here. You go to that website right there, order your pair 109, get them in pretty fast delivery. So you open the box, boom, you got your accessories, you got your charger. There's no charging dock. So that's one thing, but you do have your nice charger. It's a USB connector, which connects to this. So as y'all know, a lot of them are moving to USB. Can't be mad at it. And as far as, so these got a charging time of 3 hours, and they last for 4 hours. It says about 4 hours. I don't like that about, because sometimes it can mean it runs less. But actually, using these, I think they run a little over 4. So for them to say about 4 hours, but it actually be more than 4 hours, I love that. I'm not mad at that. So you got 3 hours of charging time, runs for about 4 hours. You got the Japanese fade blade. It says fade blade, but as y'all can see, if that's their fade blade, that's a fade blade. That's not a fade blade, if y'all can tell. But it do says on the back that it comes with the fade blade, but it's actually a taper blade, which I'm not mad at. It's cool. You get your clipper, you like the build, you start to use it. All right. My experience with it, based off of the 2 weeks, I usually like to review after 1 week of use, but I've been having a lot going on, other stuff coming in, other stuff that I've been using. I've been trying to get these to use, and it's been busy during the holidays, so I really haven't had time to just sit and actually just use these. So it's been a couple of weeks after my unboxing. All right. I like to do the week usually because that just gives me, it's like a first impression review. All right. But I've used it for a few weeks. My use of it, I like it. I've been using it. The battery life actually lasts 4 hours or more. I don't really plug them up too often because I got so much other stuff going on, and I actually wanted them to die. They didn't necessarily, I didn't actually get them to die because I wasn't using them back to back. I was going back and forth between my JRL, my Magic Clips, I was using a lot of stuff. But it's holidays, but they do last. So in the weeks that I've been using them, I probably plugged them up once overnight and they haven't died once. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, boom, 4 hours actually last. So using them, got the taper blade, even though the box says fade blade, it's a taper blade. It's cool. We all make mistakes. But so I do like this design here, and I do like the click lever. The only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't open up wide at all. All right. This has about 5 clicks and opens up pretty wide. The JRL, if y'all know, opens up all the way to about a 1. If y'all can tell the difference in that, they don't open up wide at all. And that's without me, I haven't adjusted them or anything, but they don't open wide. But it hasn't been a problem. I've been able to fade with it. It fades pretty good. It goes through a lot of different types of texture. If you get anybody with a lot of thick hair, they're not great for taking down bulk. But once you get the bulk down with another clipper that you use, these are a great tool to have. I don't like that it don't open wide. I will add a fade blade to it, and I'm pretty sure, either way, I will add a fade blade to it. All right, let me make sure I'm telling everything. It's a great clipper, all right? It lasts the 4 hours it lasts. It says it lasts. I don't like that it don't have a wide opening. Not loud, pretty quiet actually. The only time that it got loud, let me see if it does it, because sometimes when you put their guards on it and close it, it gets louder. I'm gonna add a video right here. But sometimes when you add their guards on it, it gets pretty loud. That's the only problem that I do have with it. If you add, if you use theirs, so I've been using them with the wall guards work fine. Even though sometimes, even with the one guard on the wall, let me see, even with the one guard from the wall, it gets loud. I don't know why it's not doing it now. I guess it's a good thing it's not doing it now, because it's not every time that it does it. But that is one problem that I had with it, in the sense of, but it's only when it's closed. Only when it's closed. You got the 1.5 or the one guard on, it got a loud rattling to it. A good trick that I've learned, I don't know if I've learned it or I've probably seen somebody else do it, but if you got guards that makes a lot of noise when it's on a clipper, if you could just squeeze the sides to it a little closer, it kind of grips better on the edge of the blade, and it won't, it's almost like they're a little too wide on the blade, so it's like rattling back and forth. But if you squeeze it on there, once you put it on there, these thicker blades, they'll keep they hold for a second. Either way, overall, making sure that I go through everything. I don't want to feel like I'm rushing. I do have somebody else on the way, but I don't want to feel like I'm rushing through actually telling y'all about the clipper. They're a good clipper overall. All right, they're a great clipper. They're great for fading. They give an actual, that blade that they have on there, that steel blade, I actually like that blade better than I like this fade blade or regular blade from JRL. I do like this steel rather than having that coating on it. So I do like that. I will add the fade blade. I'm gonna actually take the blade off the 50 cals and see if they fit on there, which they should. So I'm gonna take that blade, that fade blade off, and actually put that on here. Yeah, overall, man, you got you a good clipper. This caliber 357 Magnum Generation 3. They got the different face plates, $110. This is a great clipper to, whether you're starting off or you're already advanced in barbering. If you're just starting off and looking for a nice budget clipper, this is a great clipper. It's cordless, it has the power, it lasts for 4 hours, and it's only $110. You can't be mad at that. Of course, you got some that's cheaper, the Magic Clips. If you find them at the right place, AtlantaBarber.com, they're only $85 if you can find them on there. The Magic Clips, not these. These are $110 on Caliber website. I say if you can get you a pair of these, get you a pair. If you're looking for if you're looking just to try something out, try these. If you're looking just to add something to your collection, these are a great add, especially if something else died. These are 4 hours of lasting, great fading, great blade, great motor. I'm not mad at these at all. They're not better than my Gammas. They're not better than my JRLs. I'm a Magic Clip fan because that's one of the first clippers that I use, cordless, whatever. But if Magic Clip can take a page out of this, add that power to it, longer battery life to the Magic Clips will be an amazing clipper. Even the cordless seniors, which in 2021, wow, Andes, if somehow somebody show you my video, please add longer battery life. You got Caliber, you got JRL, and you have Gamma, all with 4 hour battery life on clippers, or at least 2 hours. Y'all have 1.5 hours. But nonetheless, if you're looking for a new clipper, the Caliber 357 Magnum is a great tool to add. So, if I didn't make sense, leave it in the comment down below and say, fam, but you missed this. Or if you like the video, leave it down in the comments and say, fam, I like the video. If you like the video, thumbs up. You dislike the video, thumbs down. Please share the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, we have the 500 subscribers giveaway coming up on the 1st, which when this video drop will be tomorrow. So on the Friday, the 1st, if you're not following me on Instagram, or if you don't want to follow me on Instagram, at 4 o'clock, January 1st, go to my Instagram page at Cuts by Reggie, and I'll be doing the drawing live over there on Instagram. Give me a follow if you like it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Send me the screenshot of that you subscribe. Put me in, coaches, the caption you must say, watch this video, and that'll explain everything. Boom. Cuts by Reggie, baby. I appreciate you. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. If you like it, like it. If you dislike it, thumbs down it. Hey, that's just how it go. Cuts by Reggie. I'm out. Click. Stop it. Stop the video. Stop. Stop it.